Good afternoon, it's the wood grinder guy here. Today on our Vermeer 6000, well, I shouldn't say today, it's been a little while. We had a hydraulic fan motor failure. It was leaking pretty badly, and we got a really hot day. It was over 30 degrees Celsius, and then the thing just started leaking to the point where it just was stupid. I mean, I had a day's left of grinding, and then you just go, no, we got to fix this. So I took it apart, took it to a hydraulic shop. It took about a week and a half to get an answer. And the answer was, it's pooch, can't get parts, coronavirus, nobody's working, blah, 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 blah. Okay. So I phoned Vermeer. Vermeer said they had one in stock at the factory. 3 days, air freight, $3,500. Whatever. Just order the damn thing. I need it. So we took it apart. Well, and this is the new motor that we're putting on right now. But I just wanted to kind of show you what the hydraulic shop found on the other motor that they took apart. Now, this is the shaft that the fan goes onto, and this bearing, there was quite a bit of slop in it. So, again, maybe that was the problem right there. You know, I'm not sure. China. Yep, maybe. Chinese bearing in there. So, I don't know. But anyways, where's this? Here's the shaft. Now, definitely, I'm trying to I'll put it in the shadow so you can see. The scoring on this shaft, I mean, obviously not good. Something went through there. And then, there's the bearing inside. And it's a little tough to see here, but I'm trying to... There we go. You can see those roller bearings are horrible shape. And it seems to be completely missing one right here. Where did it go? I certainly hope it came apart when they disassembled it, but I think the darn thing came apart and it's sitting in a hydraulic filter somewhere. It's fixable, I'm sure, but the inside veins here, is that going to give you a little? See, you can tell it's had some abuse. So we're going to, so I just said the hell with it, replaced. But again, I got the motor, and I mean these number 20 fittings on there. When we took them off, I never really even thought about it. I mean, so I sent the fella out to go get some O-rings, but we're not putting this back together with these O-rings. So yeah, that's what we're up to today. Been waiting almost 2 weeks for this motor, and essentially that's kind of sort of the pile I got left to grind. So it's a little disappointing. Now, I do have a little bit on the other side of that hill. There's another, maybe half a day, whatever. But we've got the Lang stumper working back there still. We had a heck of a storm last night, came through. I got the Fecon mulcher in this job too at the other end cleaning up, and it just got stuck. We just went and pulled it out. Now here's the fan, and there's a broken fin. I mean, I'm not going to lose any sleep over that, whatever. But the one thing I did, you know, the rad was caked. I mean, completely caked. I cleaned it a couple of times from the inside, the outside, but once I took all this apart, I mean, wow. This must have had a layer on a 1/4 inch on both sides, and it took a while to pressure wash all of this. Probably 4 hours it took to pressure wash that rad real good, because the dirt just kept going on and it just wouldn't stop. Now, I mean, I got quite a bit of experience with these Vermeer grinders, and why Vermeer didn't put shut-off valves on the hydraulics, it just blows my mind, because anytime you want to do a hydraulic repair, if you don't have the part right away, and you don't have the proper plugs, blah, blah, this thing it'll empty the whole tank. It's just silly. Put some valves and shut it off. But anyway, we're making do with what we got. And, yeah. I mean, I know this motor here has a slight leak too. I'm not gonna worry too much about that for now. And you know, summer's here, so the warmer weather is here, so I figured let's just do it now. But I couldn't have waited. I just couldn't. It was too dangerous. I don't want to keep. I had enough more problem. So, anyway, that's what we're up to today. Wood grinder guy. The joys of owning a grinder, or 2 or 3, or I don't know. Sometimes I kind of wish I had the money to just buy a brand new one and just, hey, look, there's warranty. But no, no. I don't know. Things are okay. I mean, we kept working throughout this whole Corona crisis, but you know, now there's another crisis, and anyways. We don't see much racial tensions up here, but I just hope that everybody can kind of calm down and we can get back to work and just get back. Just get back. Anyway, as I said, we're getting there slowly but surely, and we'll get it back together. I'll see if I can make a little video of that too and go from there. All right.